I'm currently standing on the Antares 12 Coupe from Beneteau Group.
Beneteau is a French builder with a long history, known for their innovative designs, quality craftsmanship, and the ability to build anything from a small dayboat to a large yacht. The Antares 12 is a weekender and coastal cruiser, perfect for a couple or small family who wants to spend more than a few nights on board, exploring new places.
So you can see that they've equipped this one with the triple 300s. You can also choose dual 400s. And they tell us that fuel consumption in the mid-ranges and the high and lows differ slightly between the two engine packages, but realistically, overall, you're probably going to be about the same. Big benefit of the 300s is you're going to get a little bit higher top speed. This configuration, I think, is a really smart idea. So many boats, you just don't have this full walk around the motors. Easy, comfortable access all the way around is a really nice touch. So come aboard and let's check out this cockpit area, starting right here at this fold out. So you can see there's actually a boarding door in here. So if you're in a marina or in a tight space, you can still have easy access in and out. But if you want to really open her up, expand this area, you can do so. And you come into this cockpit, and one of the first things that I notice is how much coverage you have. So this hardtop is extended all the way back, and everybody's gonna have shade. But if you want, you can open up and see the stars or get a little sun. This table opens up and out for dining, or it is on a high-low pedestal, so you can push it down, put in a fill cushion, and now you have a nice big sun bed. One of the aspects about the 12 that I like is that it is still a full walk-around. So on port side, it is narrow because it is an asymmetrical layout to give you more interior volume, but it is a true walk-around. So I'm gonna feel secure walking all the way forward, putting out all of my fenders. I also like how high these stanchions are all the way forward. But let's utilize the wider side deck and go check out all the way forward. I go into a bit more detail on this door in that companion video that I'm talking about, where we feature the live aboard aspects of this boat. But it's worth mentioning again because this is such a smart thing. All the way forward, there's a little bit of a step down to get all the way up here. Large storage lockers on both sides to put all your fenders. It can be either a large sunbed, or you can flip it up and have a love seat. So they've added the receptacle for the table. You can set up the sunbed cushion into more of a love seat. And we could easily sit out here on a night like tonight. All the way forward is your quick electric windlass, Delta plow style anchor. I like that they have done a split in the stanchions so that if you come into any anchor issues, you can easily get up there and work around. They have a safety harness there just in case. Over my shoulder, you can see the bow area of that Antares 11 that I've kind of been comparing and contrasting against. So you can see that just with the addition of a couple of extra feet on the length, a little bit more on the beam, you can have so much more space up in this area. So you've got that large opening sunroof that lets in all that light, but they've added crossbars. So I can put bike racks up here. I can put paddle boards up here. That adds a lot of functionality to this coupe. The guys from Beneteau, when they were walking us through this boat, they said that they've seen owners put bike racks, take it up to Martha's Vineyard for the day, pull those down, go and explore the island, and then you don't have to get those dirty bike tires in the back aft cockpit of your boat. You can put them up top. So let's move all the way back to the cockpit to kind of finish this video out, but I did want to point out again how high these stanchions are. So moving forward and aft, I feel very secure. I talk a lot about storage, but this storage space actually really impressed me. So the whole thing is on struts, easy to lift, and look at the amount of space down there. So it's your mechanical spaces, but they're all kind of hidden behind nicely finished panels. So you can put folding bikes down there, inflatable paddle boards, but when it's time to access all of your mechanical items, they're easy to get to. I also see that they've enclosed almost everything, so all of your major electrical panels are going to be watertight. This is the world premiere of the Antares 12 Coupe. The flybridge version will actually be at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. So that's my inspection of the exterior portion of the Antares 12 Coupe. Be sure to check out my video where I explore the livability of the inside accommodations as well. All in all, this boat fits the bill for a family-friendly cruiser. There's so many little touches throughout the boat that really elevate this boat. The Antares line has existed for 45 years. I think that this would be a really great boat to go on and explore on. The Antares 12 proves that life is better on a boat.